It's January 13th, 2024. We had a big snowstorm. I don't know the exact amount of inches, but it's 10 to 12. Still coming down a little bit. This is our humble little home here. The neighbor with the Kubota over there, he came over and plowed our driveway. That's actually our truck over there in the neighbor's driveway because she isn't home. Oh, it's pretty cold out here too. We still have some of our Christmas decorations and lights. We thought about turning them on tonight. That would look really pretty. That's a burning bush. It's actually the neighbor's bush, but it makes shade for us, and those are their catalpa trees. That's just their cabin, actually. My husband has his hand truck out here. We just built that porch about 2 months ago, actually. Finished it. Those are actual icicle lights. They're not real icicles. Kind of neat though. Looks really interesting. Brr! Oh boy. My car ended up at the tail. One of the pods from that catalpa tree fell down. And snow gathered on the end of it. Kind of see the edge of the snow there. We have our swing seat sitting on the back porch. Oh yeah, an old vacuum sweeper. My husband was gonna fix it up and it just sat out here. But yeah, there's probably not a safe thing to have your doorway blocked, but we don't use that door very often. And then there's some real icicles on the roof. And a really big maple tree. Really, really big. And the utility trailer is covered. And this is the neighbor's cabin. It has a really cute chimney. We actually live where Mid-Michigan had the dam failures in 2020. We moved here after that, but this cabin I think had some damage, so they don't really use it. Our mobile home came through just during the flood. It didn't actually flood up to the floor. I think just because it's built on a crawl space, there was water down there from what we heard. Sorry about the finger. Yeah, we have some kind of junk sitting out here. That's the pump house. That tree is so pretty. Whoa! So So we have a canal behind our house that runs off from the lake, which is mostly dry lake bed. And the canal has a little bit of water in the middle, just from groundwater, I think. This is a really nice neighborhood. Everybody's so nice. We've never lived before where if you go out for a walk, everybody waves at you. The sun's coming out a little bit. Isn't that pretty? Well, just a going. Covered with snow and just a going. I can't see very well because of the sun, so. It is just so pretty. That's kind of like where we kind of tossed our fire pit ring. We had there was a huge fire pit dug into the ground right there when we first moved here, but it was taking up a lot of the yards, so we've been filling it in with stuff that we're burning and random dirt. We're not going to use it like that. It's just, it was big enough for like the whole neighborhood to sit around. Wow, there's a really pretty tree over there. Or, I don't know if you call it a tree, but it's pretty anyway. Wow. Wow. Yeah, my hands are getting pretty cold, so that's pretty much it for our property. There's Mr. Hubby throwing away the trash. Still need to dig out the car. That's not so bad though. Ooh. Thanks for watching.